house. The house which made art by interpretation. Igloo house and igloo is a type of house. My name is Ishwari. I am studying second standard. My project name is floating water. Floating in the water is possible when the upward force of bouncing equals the downward force of gravity. I am giraffe. Giraffe is tallest animal. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Sumit. Zebra have a white and black steel coat. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. My name is Muskan. I study in senior KG class. Today we are going to show in the process of wind farming. Thank you. My name is Adda. First, we need to plant the seeds between the month of September to November because of our region. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Tabitha. I am studying in senior KG class. Next, we plough the field using tractor, turning over the top layer of soil to prepare it for planting. Thank you. I am studying in senior KG class. Harvesting process is the act of getting mature crops from the field. Harvesting means collecting the food from the field. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Ishita. I study in senior KG class. Then add the fertilizer to the nutrition of the plant. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Ram. I study in senior KG class. Then after that, plants are grown. We need to learn the basics and that. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Jan. I study in senior KG class. Eat food properly without plastic because a lot of effort goes into making it. Thank.
नमस्ते, मी लुबना खान ब्लॉसम स्कूलची प्री प्रायमरीची हेड आहे. आम्ही हे मुलांसाठी जंगल तयार केलं आहे. या जंगल निमित्त मुलांना कळतंय की तिथं कोणते कोणते प्राणी राहतात, ते कसे आवाज काढतात, ह्याच्या प्रकारे वेगळ्या वेगळ्या गोष्टी त्यातनं त्यांना समजावे म्हणून आमचे सहकारी टीचर आणि मी असं मिळून आम्ही हे जंगल तयार केलेलं आहे. धन्यवाद.
ब्लॉसम स्कूल सातारा यांनी आज हे प्रदर्शन भरवलेलं आहे. तर मुलांच्या मध्ये शेतीविषयी माहिती ही सर्व त्यांनी या इथे दाखवलेली आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये जो आपला पारंपरिक शेती हा आपला व्यवसाय आहे शेतकऱ्यांचा, त्याची पूर्ण प्रतिकृती इथं उभारलेली आहे आणि मुलांनी त्या प्रमाणात खूप छान अगदी त्याची मांडणी केलेली आहे आणि सर्व माहिती मुलांपर्यंत पोहोचावी ही शाळेची जी अपेक्षा आहे ती इथं पूर्ण झालेली आपल्याला दिसून येते. नमस्ते.
Good morning. My name is Anushree Satish Karpe. I am from 8th standard. My project is blood circulation in heart. The heart pumps the blood to keep us alive and healthy. There are four types of chambers. The first is right atrium. Right atrium receives the blood from all parts. The second, the right ventricle. Right ventricle pumps the blood to the lungs. Second, left atrium receives blood from the lungs, and then left ventricle pumps the blood to all the parts. This cycle keeps continues to keep us alive. Good morning, myself Jamima Aftab Khan. I am from class 8. Welcome to our science exhibition. Today we have made project of neuron. First I would explain you the structure of neuron. Neuron is a nerve cell that transport message in a body. Then we can see cell body. Cell body is the main part of neuron as it consists of nucleus that sends message in our body. Then we can see dendrites. Dendrites are branch like parts of neuron. Then we can see axon. A long thin fiber is called as axon. Then we can see axon terminals. The ends of axon that pass the message to next cell through tiny gaps are called synapse. Now I request Janvi to please give the further information.
Thanks, Jemima. As Jemima had already given us the information about the structure of neuron, and now I will give the information about the functions of neuron. The functions of neuron are at first the neuron receives the message and then it process on the message, and after that it sends the message. This process helps our brain and our body to communicate and work together every day. As we all think that the neuron is a very small thing, yes it is, but it is also a very powerful. It transmits the signal at the speed of 250 miles per hour, and our brain consists 86 billions of neurons, and they all together work hard to control all the things, from breathing to think.
गणेश पाटील. आय एम स्टडी इन 8th स्टँडर्ड. माय प्रोजेक्ट नेम इज मिनी साऊंड. मिनी साऊंडसाठी मी काय काय वापरले ते सांगतो. लाकूड वापरले, म्हणजे प्लायवूड वापरले, वायर वापरल्यात, परत हायस वापरल्यात. हा बेस आहे, हे हायस आहेत. थँक्यू.
Morning, sir. My name is Farooq Dhamar. I am studying in 8th standard. Today, on the account of science exhibition, I have made a fire alarm. Fire alarm is a safety device that detects fire and warns people about the presence of fire. It works on the principle of heat or smoke detection. I have used a PCB board, a battery, a buzzer, a transistor, a LED, a series of register, and a IR receiver. When a fire starts, it emits infrared rays. The IR receiver, which is also called as infrared receiver, absorbs the infrared rays and converts them into electric current. The transistor takes that electric current and turns on the buzzer and LED light, and then the buzzer sounds loudly, indicating the presence of fire. Now I will show you how it works. It is mostly used in public places like hospitals, theaters, police stations, offices, etc. Thank you.
Recently from 9th standard, I'm going to tell some details about nephron. The functional unit of kidney is nephron. Each kidney have consumed millions of nephron, which play a significant role in the filtration and purification of the blood. The nephron is divided into two particular, namely the glomerulus and the renal tube, and helps in the remove excess waste from the body. Thank you.
Morning. My name is Rudra. I am studying first standard. My project name is How Animal Help Us. Cow, domestic animal. Cow gives milk, which is very healthy. Sheep, pet animal. It eats grass. Hen, its color. Red, black, brown. Use hen, egg. Silkworm, use special type worm. Thank you. Myself Uweza Aftab Khan, and I am from Standard 4. As Suhani had already given information on sprinkle irrigation, now I would like to tell you about drip irrigation. Drip irrigation, a localized irrigation method that delivers water directly to the plant. Water is dripped into the soil or near the root of the plant. This method is efficient and can save water and fertilizer. Morning. Myself Reshma Shikame. I study in 6th standard. Today in our school is science exhibition. My project is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means collecting rainwater. When it rains, water falls on the roof and flows into the filtration tank and wells. The water is then directed into a storage tank. The stored water can be used for watering, cleaning, plants, provides water during times when there is storage. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Aradha. I am study second standard. Source of water, storage of water, water strong is the practice of storage water in containers or for later use water candy storage for drinking, aggregation or emergency use. Thank you. Good morning, sir. I am Mariam Samir Sheikh, standard 4. Today, give some introduction on greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. They won't allow the heat to go into space. They hold the need and reflect on the Earth's surface. These gases are called greenhouse gases. Example of are greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide method, water vapor eats. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Faizan Parvez Pathan. I study in 5th standard. My project is Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the third moon mission conducted by ISRO. It was launched on 14 July 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center. Chandrayaan was softly landed on the moon around 4 minutes past 6, 4 minutes past 6 on 23 August 2023. India is the fourth country in the world to achieve successful and soft landing. India became first country to land on the south pole of moon surface. There are only three countries, USA, Russia, and China, have successful and soft landing. Equipped with advanced instruments, it will conduct scientific studies, analyze lunar soil, and gather important data for research. According to the report, the cost of Chandrayaan is $74 million. Chandrayaan means moon vehicle in Sanskrit. Chandrayaan success shows India's strong determination to uncover the moon mysteries. Thank you.
To our science exhibition. My name is Varad. I am studying in 5th standard. My project name is Human Digestive System. The digestive system helps our body to break down food and use it for energy. For how it works: first, mouth. We chew food and saliva get digest. Second, esophagus. Food moves down to the stomach. Third, stomach. Stomach juices break food part into smaller part. Fourth, small intestine. The digested food fully and nutrients go into blood. Fifth, large intestine. Extra water is absorbed and sent in stool.
Good morning. My name is KZ Ashish Gaikwad. I study in Standard 6. Today I am going to explain you about layers of atmosphere. So first one is troposphere, the lowest layer we live. Second is stratosphere. Above the stratosphere, it contacts the zone layer which protects us from harmful sun rays. Third one is lithosphere. It is a cold gas filled layer that protects Earth from metros. And fourth one is thermosphere. It's a very thin layer where gas gets extremely hot due to the absorption of high energies. And last one is exosphere, the outmost layers that gradually feathers into space. Thank you. Sitej Karpe, I study in 6th standard. My project name is water cycle. So first is evaporation. The evaporation, the sun heat up the water from the rivers, lakes and oceans, turning into water vapors. Then convection, the water vapors cool down in the sky and from the cloud. Then precipitation, when the cloud gets so heavy and fall as the rain. Then collection, the rainwater collect the rivers, lakes and oceans, some soaking ground also. This cycle repeated continuously forever. Thank you.
Hello and welcome. We are successfully hosted this year's science exhibition at our Blossom School and High School Satara. Students really put their brains together to build the creativity inside them. This event gave a platform to our young scientists to help build their creativity, curiosity, and also their very scientific approach at life. Uh, the students came forward and built very beautiful demonstrations and scientific experiments and models. It was joyful to watch, and it is always a pleasure to be a part of their learning adventure. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to all of you. It was a pleasure and honor to be there, as today we had a science exhibition in our Blossom School and High School. All the students had taken a very great participation, and they had shown their inner ability and the scientific approach. The projects were very interesting, and they had shown that they had told information about their project, and that was the greatest part, that it's only not the project but how exactly it works and what are the components they have used. All the information they were very easily communicating with the parents, and parents had given a very great response, and that was a great success for the Blossom School and high school. And all the teachers, class teachers, science teacher had given and very encouraging and a great support, and we thank you